Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I want to talk about festivals and holidays. I love learning about different celebrations and traditions. What do you think about festivals?
I think festivals are very exciting. They are a great time to meet family and friends and to enjoy special activities.
Yes, festivals are a fun time. I enjoy many holidays during the year. There are many different celebrations in my country.
In my country, we also have many festivals and holidays. We celebrate with music, food, and dancing. It is a great way to learn about our culture.
Let's start with a popular holiday. For example, I love celebrating New Year's Eve. How do you celebrate New Year's in your family?
My family celebrates New Year's Eve by having a big dinner at home. We cook a lot of food, and we watch fireworks at midnight. We also make wishes for the coming year.
That sounds wonderful. In my family, we also have a big meal. We eat special foods and sometimes play games. I love watching the fireworks because the sky is full of colors.
Fireworks are very beautiful. I think they make everyone happy. Do you have a favorite food for New Year's?
Yes, I love a traditional dish called lucky noodles. They are long noodles that mean long life. What about you, Ben?
In my family, we eat a dish of roasted chicken and rice. We believe it brings good luck and health. We also have a special dessert.
That is very nice. Holidays are full of traditions that give us hope for a good future.
Another festival I enjoy is the Spring Festival. It is a time for family, gatherings, and many customs.
Yes, I love spring festivals. In my country, we celebrate with colorful parades, dancing, and music. We also see many lanterns and enjoy the flowers in spring.
I have seen pictures of spring festivals. People wear traditional clothes and decorate their houses. It looks very joyful and full of life.
That is true. During the Spring Festival, many families clean their homes and prepare special meals. We also send greetings to relatives.
In my city, there is a big parade in the park. Many people come to see the dancers and the musicians. I always enjoy watching the parade.
I like parades because they show many traditions. I also like to see the costumes. They are very bright and beautiful.
Yes, costumes are important. They remind us of our history and culture. Do you take part in any activities during the Spring Festival?
I do. I often join a small group that dances traditional dances. I am not a good dancer, but I try my best and have fun.
That is great, Alice. I think dancing helps people feel happy and connected.
Let's talk about another holiday. What do you do for the summer holidays, Ben?
In summer, I like to have a beach party with my friends. We go to the seaside, swim in the water, and play beach volleyball.
That sounds very fun. I love the summer because the weather is warm and sunny. I often go to a park or a pool with my family. We have a picnic and sometimes fly kites.
Picnics are my favorite. I like to eat fruit, sandwiches, and ice cream outdoors. It is a good time to relax and enjoy nature.
Yes, summer is a time for outdoor activities. I also love watching outdoor concerts in the evening. Many cities have free concerts in parks during summer.
I have been to a concert in the park. The music was loud and happy. It was a wonderful way to spend a summer evening.
Music brings people together. Do you have a favorite summer memory?
I do. Last summer, I went to a music festival with my friends. We danced, sang, and enjoyed many food stalls. The festival lasted all day and even into the night.
That sounds amazing. I have a memory of a summer barbecue with my family. We cooked on a grill, played games, and laughed a lot. I feel very happy when I think about that day.
Summer festivals and barbecues are very special. They remind us to enjoy life and to be with people we love.
What about autumn? Do you enjoy autumn holidays, Ben?
Yes, I do. In autumn, the weather is cool and the leaves change color. I love to see red, yellow, and orange leaves. It is a very beautiful season.
Autumn is very pretty. In my town, we have a harvest festival. People come together to celebrate the harvest. We eat pumpkins, apples, and many local fruits.
Harvest festivals are interesting. I like the idea of celebrating nature and the fruits of the land.
At the harvest festival, there are many activities. We have a parade, folk music, and sometimes contests like apple picking or pumpkin carving.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I think contests make the festival lively and competitive in a friendly way.
Yes, and I also enjoy the art and crafts that people make during the festival. Many local artists show their work, and you can buy handmade items.
Handmade crafts are very unique. I often buy a small souvenir to remember the day.
I do that too. A small memory can last a long time.
Autumn makes me feel relaxed. I like to take walks in the park and enjoy the cool air. It is a time to prepare for the cold winter.
Speaking of winter, what do you do during winter holidays, Ben?
In winter, many people celebrate Christmas and New Year. I love Christmas because of the lights, the music, and the decorations.
Christmas is a very warm time, even if it is cold outside. I love the Christmas tree and the sound of carols.
My family decorates our house with lights and a small tree. We also exchange gifts on Christmas.
Yes, giving gifts is a very nice tradition. It shows love and care. I also like to bake cookies with my family during the Christmas season.
Baking cookies is fun. I sometimes help my mother in the kitchen. We make gingerbread and other sweets.
Winter holidays are also a time for special events. In some cities, there are Christmas markets with many small shops and food stalls.
I have visited a Christmas market once. There were many handmade ornaments, warm drinks, and people smiling everywhere.
I love the smell of hot cocoa and spices in the market. It makes me feel very cozy.
Winter can be cold, but festivals like Christmas make the season bright and cheerful.
And after the holidays, many people celebrate New Year's with parties and fireworks. It is a time to make new wishes.
New Year's is a special time. I like to think about the past year. and set goals for the next. It is a moment of hope and joy.
I feel that every festival and holiday gives us a chance to celebrate life and our culture.
Yes, Alice. Festivals help us remember our traditions and bring our community together. They make us proud of our heritage.
Traditions are very important. They teach us about our history and our values. I love learning about the old customs during these festivals.
I agree. Sometimes I visit museums or cultural centers during holidays. They show the history of our festivals and explain the meanings of different rituals.
That is very interesting. I sometimes attend workshops during festivals where people teach traditional dances or crafts.
Traditional dances and crafts are a great way to keep our culture alive. I have learned a few dances from my town's festival. It is fun and a bit challenging.
I am not very good at dancing, but I love watching the performances. The music, costumes, and energy are wonderful.
Watching a performance can be as enjoyable as participating. It makes you feel part of something bigger.
I also like to try local foods during festivals. Each region has its own special dish. At one festival, I tasted a spicy soup that was very different from what I eat at home.
Food is one of the best parts of a festival. I always try a little bit of everything. I remember at one festival, I tried a sweet cake that had a very unique flavor.
Yes, food shows the diversity of a culture. It is a delicious way to learn about different traditions.
I also take many photos during festivals. I like to capture the decorations, the people, and the moments of joy. Later, I look at the photos and remember the fun times.
Photos are a great memory. I keep a small album for each festival I attend. It helps me remember the stories and the people I met.
Festivals bring memories that last a lifetime. They are not just events. They are celebrations of life, love, and community.
I feel very lucky to be part of these traditions. They make the year more colorful and joyful.
Me too, Alice. I always look forward to the next festival. It is a time to relax, have fun, and learn more about my culture.
Do you have any plans for an upcoming festival, Ben?
Yes, I do. Next month, my town will have a big cultural festival. There will be music, dance, and food from different regions. I plan to go with my family and friends.
That sounds exciting. In my city, we celebrate a traditional festival in the fall. I plan to visit with my relatives, watch the parade, and try the local food.
I think these festivals are a great opportunity to meet new people and make new friends.
Yes, and to share our own traditions with others. I enjoy talking with people from different regions.
That is very true. Festivals help us learn from each other. We see new customs, and sometimes even new languages or dialects.
I love the idea of learning new things during a festival. It is like a mini adventure in our own country.
I feel the same way, Alice. Every festival teaches me a little more about who we are and what we value.
Thank you for this nice conversation, Ben. Talking about festivals and holidays makes me happy and excited about the future.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our talk very much. It reminds me how important our traditions and celebrations are in our lives.
I hope we can go to a festival together one day. It would be fun to experience all the activities, music, food, and dances with a friend.
That is a great idea, Alice. I would love to share that experience with you. We can plan a day to enjoy a local festival together.
Wonderful! I look forward to that day. Meanwhile, I will continue to enjoy every festival and holiday I attend.
And I will keep learning about my culture and traditions. Festivals are a beautiful part of our life.
Have a great day, Ben, and enjoy the upcoming festivals.
Thank you, Alice. I hope you have a wonderful day too, and a happy festival season.
Goodbye, Ben.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.